Hello everyone, and welcome to a new episode of the Online Marketing Podcast with Juan Lerena. Today, I want to kick off with a story that, although it sounds like something out of a sales handbook, actually happened in real life. It offers an invaluable lesson for every entrepreneur striving to provide a flawless customer experience. Picture this. You've been searching for the car of your dreams, the one you've visualized in your mind for a long time. For me, that car was a BMW X3 Black, with leather seats, a spectacular panoramic roof, and all those features that make you feel on top of the world every time you get behind the wheel. After a lot of searching, I found the perfect car at an official BMW dealership. From the very first moment, the experience was outstanding. The salesperson who helped me was professional, friendly, and efficient. She made me feel like a valued customer, guiding me through every step of the process, from the initial inquiry to the test drive. Everything was going perfectly, and I was ready to close the deal and drive that car home. But this is where the story takes an unexpected turn. At this dealership, they have a process where a different person handles the final sale. Someone specialized in wrapping up the financial and contractual details. However, that day, the person who was supposed to close the sale didn't come to work, leaving only one person to handle all the sales for the day. Usually, there are two people to ensure that everything flows smoothly, but due to this absence, a bottleneck occurred. The situation was this. I was there, ready to buy, but found myself stuck in a long wait. Despite the excellent work of the salesperson, the system failed at a crucial point, and my excitement about the purchase began to fade. What should have been a happy ending turned into a frustrating experience due to a lack of foresight and planning. So, what can we learn from this experience? First, it's crucial to understand that in business, it's not enough for one or two elements to work well. The entire chain must be in sync to provide a complete and satisfying customer experience. A disruption at any link can affect the overall perception and ultimately the customer's loyalty. To ensure that something like this doesn't happen in your business, I want to share a technique that you can implement. S.E.A.L. This acronym will help you maintain consistency and quality in customer experience, especially at critical moments like closing a sale. S for synchronization. Make sure all your team members are on the same page and that their roles and responsibilities are clearly defined. This includes having contingency plans for when someone can't fulfill their duties. E for efficiency. Optimize processes so that every part of the sales cycle flows smoothly. This includes having the necessary staff available at all times, especially during critical stages like closing sales. A for attention. Pay attention to details and ensure that every customer feels valued throughout the process. If a customer is waiting, be sure to maintain communication and offer alternatives so that their experience isn't negatively affected. L for leadership. As a leader, it's your responsibility to ensure that your team is well trained and prepared to handle any situation that may arise. This includes effective delegation and ongoing training. The next time you face a busy day or an unforeseen situation in your business, remember S.E.A.L. Thank you for joining me in this episode of the Online Marketing Podcast with Juan Lerena. If this story made you reflect on the customer experience in your business, I encourage you to put S.E.A.L. into practice and prepare to offer top-notch customer service. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences on our social media.